Hello lovely ones, I have got such good news for us for March, and it feels like we're marching through this year, and we have got to just do a little stopping here before we get carried away and we just move into all the static that is coming in. So March is our reset month, and I'm going to be connecting into 2 amazing retreat opportunities, and I wanted to share that with you. Those of you who are ready to just come into a reset point, disconnect from all the static, realign, reconnect, build up your system from deep within and replenish your mind, body, soul in a beautiful settings. And in both of these beautiful settings, it would be just wonderful, wonderful for you. So I'm really hoping that you'll bring this little investment of light and love and opportunity into your being and connect with either one or both of these amazing retreats. So let me tell you a little about them. From the 5th to the 9th of March is the first one, and it's going to be lovely. It's going to be at this beautiful Plettenberg Bay Nature Reserve, which is so beautiful, and the rooms are just magical. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous place. You will immediately get there and just go, oh, it's just too lovely for words. And there's going to be a beautiful, beautiful program. Kathy DeCock, who is the beautiful person who also runs Down to Earth, has been putting this together, and she's got some lovely, lovely people on board. And this is going to be a deeply nurturing retreat. Lots of details you're going to see just below here. So be part of that if you can. And one of the lovely things is that she's also bringing in Dr. Nicky Whiteman, who is the one who I just love and work with all the time. And darling Nicky is putting together the gut health retreat, which is just after this. But Nicky is going to come and talk to us also at the first retreat, and just give us a sense of what it is, what it means for us to come into a higher state of gut health, the mind-body connection. And that will lead us then into this beautiful retreat, Plantation Health Retreat. I have been part of that for, I think it's about a year or 2 years now. It's 2 years that we've been part of this, and it is just the most delightful experience. If you know that you need to reset yourself from your very gut, because the gut is where everything is happening. The microbiomes in our gut really dictate our health and wellness and our sense of wellness of our being. I have also personally gone through this journey, and it is a massive transformational journey. It really brings us into a space of deeper clarity and insight and peace within, when our body and our mind, our soul becomes aligned and comes back into perfect health. And that really is the best thing we can do, because it is crazy out there, the static and the confusion. So the best thing we can do is to realign and reset at our center into our gut. So this lovely retreat is going to be from the 14th to the 19th in the most beautiful setting. Such pampering, it is unbelievable. You're going to learn how to not just sustain your health, but also how to create these recipes. There's going to be a little recipe book. There are treatments. I'm going to be doing energy work at both of the beautiful retreats and helping us come into mind-body connection, alignment. You're going to be massaged. You're going to be pampered and adored. And oh, it's just the most amazing experience that you can give yourself. And I know it feels like you'll have to take a little time off from your world, but truly it's worth it. Because when we go back into the world, we're just so much better. We're clear and aligned, and we're fresh and we're awakened, and we're ready to do this life in the way we're supposed to do it. Magnificently, beautifully connected. So I'm hoping that this will be fun for you to be part of. I'm so looking forward to sharing some time with you there in these gorgeous, gorgeous spaces, to pampering you and loving you and nurturing you. And Dr. Nicky Whiteman is going to be working with those on the gut health retreat and giving you very specific, unique tools and guidance and supplements to help and support you in your gut health, your program. So it's very uniquely designed. It's really an exclusive experience beyond what you can imagine. So much love to you, and you can read more of the blah blah below and be part of it and hop on as soon as you can. It's going to be fabulous. I think they can only take about 10 spaces at each of those. All right, come to one, come to both, even better. Fabulous. Take care, darlings. Much love to you. We just forge on 2021. We're going to claim it as our year of great transformation. So much love. Take care.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting